Hello friends and fans. Take a look at this Samsung Galaxy A55 phone. It follows the legacy of Samsung phones and is packed with features. This phone combines style, power, and performance in one sleek package, and we're here to give you a quick review of its key features. So, stick around if you want to know why this phone might be the perfect fit for you. Let's start with the display. Samsung is known for its stunning screens, and the Galaxy A55 is no exception. It comes with a gorgeous 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display that delivers rich colors and deep blacks. Plus, with a 120Hz refresh rate and 900 nits of brightness, you'll enjoy ultra-smooth scrolling and a bright screen, even under sunlight. Now talk about the camera. This phone boasts a triple camera setup, featuring a 50 megapixels main lens that ensures you capture stunning, detailed shots. And with 4K video recording and optical image stabilization (OIS) support, you can expect smooth and crisp videos, perfect for vloggers and content creators. Now talk about the performance side. The Galaxy A55 is powered by the Snapdragon 6th Gen chip, giving you lightning-fast speeds whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking. Paired with 6GB or 8GB of RAM, this phone can easily handle your daily tasks without breaking a sweat. Now talk about the battery life. Battery life won't be an issue either, thanks to the massive 5,300 mAh battery that promises all-day use. And when you do need a quick top-up, the 30W fast charging will have you back to full power in no time. Now talk about the ports. For ports and extras, you get a Type-C port for fast charging, stereo speakers for immersive audio, and a built-in microphone. The under-display optical fingerprint sensor ensures quick and secure unlocking, while the hybrid SIM slot gives you the flexibility of dual SIM standby with a dedicated SD card slot to expand storage. So, there you have it. The Samsung Galaxy A55 in a nutshell. A powerhouse of a phone with a stunning display, versatile camera, speedy performance, and long-lasting battery. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and of course, subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.